Ipit gining
This is
tesoro.
my daughter's birthday celebration. We eat in Chinese restaurant. These are the foods.
Dili para sa maglis-ilis. Sa Western restaurant na.
Pwede mango?
Ang
We
Chinese
enjoy chatting. This is the cake given by Fini Jean.
kanang dahul.
Basta nga ro Abril o Burero.
Siguro.
And this is the sticker rice.
Ro Abril.
This
Pero
one,
buwan na.
the circle one, the sticker rice.
Hello, my brother. Hi, beautiful. Hello,
Enjoyed
Gwen.
having
Hi,
video.
hi, Prisma. Hi,
Abril. Baka
Sheena,
Mm.
Roger, and my brother Fidel.
Dam lang may lagi niyo sa ni.
Muna ko Yes. Hi, G. Hello, Agnes.
Then we go to the sea area and chatting there.
Hi.
Sobrang filter.
Dili oy. Oh, gina siya, di gina
Drink
sulbong
some beer.
filter oh. Diyan?
Live to?
Dear?
We have a good time. Just connecting with each other.
Dako na kay. Yes, please, ate.
You like
Kanya,
chip?
can you ask
Tanya
Tanya to open the pizzeria?
Do you want me to open this one?
Yes, please.
You like pink?
Andun na ka malula?
You agree?
No?
Is it Dudu?
No?
Soup. Ano soup? Soup. Kamo siya basa?
Dili ang picture.
Picture. Sa income. Mag-live ko kausap.
Yeah, and that's it. I have another drinks at night time. Yeah, with friends. It's the birthday girl.